Hi everyone, Mr. Dix here. Great recipe, Banoffee Pie. Not good if you're on a diet, but it's a great indulgence and you'll love it. So you can use all digestives or put some ginger nuts in as well, which is nice. To whiz them up, put them in the food processor, or if you haven't got one, use a sandwich bag and gently hit it with a rolling pin. So melt the butter in the microwave or a saucepan, either is fine, and pour it into the breadcrumb mixture. The mixture should look like wet sand and should stick together when you squeeze it a bit. If it doesn't, it may need a little bit more melted butter. You need to whisk it continuously. If you don't, it will burn. Allow it to boil for about 30 seconds, it will thicken up, and that's how it should look. Remember, never over whisk cream because it would go oily and buttery and be quite unpleasant. I've just grated some chocolate over the top, but if you have some cocoa, you could use that, or if you've got a flake bar, even better, crunch that up and put that on the top.